Alright guys, here you go, another video that I'm making today. I wanted to change out the exhaust piping on my Acura Vigor. Now, I don't know if you guys seen my old video where I patched up the resonator because they had the rust pinholes and everything on it. Now it seems like now it's gotten noisier here in the back part where the muffler is, so I'm assuming that this muffler also has some rust holes. Now what I did was I bought a whole new exhaust piping for it. Now this is OEM. It's not, you know, the bigger pipes or anything like that. This is just OEM. You know, I can't do the whole loud exhaust thing, especially not for this car. Now I got this on eBay, both of them actually. The resonator pipe, the S pipe, I think I got it for like 65 bucks. Now the exhaust was about I think it was 120. So I'm gonna be putting those in today. Now you know, working on the exhaust pipe, I've done it before already from my previous work on the video with the resonator, so it's pretty easy. It shouldn't be that hard. Now I am just kind of waiting for the pipes to cool down. I was driving it around to check my overheating, and so I don't know if you guys see that video, but there's a video that I made earlier about it. Now I'm waiting for the pipes to cool down so I can take it off, and I'll be putting this in. What I did want to do was maybe start the car so you guys could hear the difference. So let me do that. So that's what the car sounds like. You know, this is with the holes in the piping. So let's see if you guys can hear it. So yeah, hopefully you guys did notice that. But there's a hole somewhere in the piping there, and instead of patching it up, I'm just gonna change the whole thing. So that's what the car sounds like before I change it, and then I'll come back after replacing it, and then hopefully you guys can notice the difference between the two. Alright, I'll later. Alright guys, I just finished installing the exhaust pipe and muffler. So I know it got kind of late. I was messing around. I'm trying to put a stainless tip on there, but unfortunately it didn't work. So if you guys watched earlier, you guys heard how the muffler sounded. So I'm just making a quick video so that you guys can listen to it, how it sounds now. Alright. So that's what the exhaust sounds like. Nice and quiet. Right? You guys don't hear anything? Doesn't sound like there's any holes, right? So that's from underneath the car. So yeah, I think everything is good. Oh, let me turn this off real quick. So I can show you guys where I found the hole was coming from. So here's the patch that I had on there. This is from my old previous video, right? And then here's the other side. As you guys can see, the hole came back, and so I think most of the noise was coming from there. I don't think it scraped on the ground. I think the patch just really didn't hold up. So that's where the hole was coming from. I mean the noise was coming from. And here's the muffler. Hey. Yeah, I took it out. Took it out. No, it's got a hole in it. So here's the muffler, and I think the muffler was still okay. I took out the tip, but it was rusted, so the bolts it broke off. But I just wanted to show you guys that. All right, that's it for today. All right, later.